All right, so what are we doing here?
Okay,
What's the
so
plan?
this is a beautiful residence being built. We have built a pretty rad set of monostringer stairs, up, landing, up, and it is being showcased in this beautiful stairway that is more or less completely windows, except for the very top portion where the roof is. But it's going to be a very kind of a statement piece in this house, and there's been a lot of thinking that's led up to this moment. Boy, do I hope it's all worked out.
Let's keep that glass.
Yeah, yeah. So they've put blocking underneath the floor where the landing hits. So we'll find that, and should be blocked out in a much bigger area than our base plate is. But the first flight will start here and go up to our landing here and bolt into some holes, 4 threaded holes on the back side of this. And then the upper landing will bolt to 6 threaded holes on this face and go up to that header up there. I didn't film this, but we made a little like cantilevered crane situation that I'm gonna bolt to the floor up there that will hang over the ledge and give us a pick point so we can use a chain hoist and haul it up there. So I brought a multi-tool, an oscillating tool just to be. I hear you, Aaron. 15 years of bad habits, okay? Oh my God, yeah, there's some blocking down here. Jesus Christ. He stacked about 22 by 6s on their edge, right underneath the subfloor.
Right.
Making sure it's still threaded.
Yeah, just making sure there's no little debris from the powder process.
Times you gotta make your own tools. Look at this thing. Look at that. Now cantilever over. Gives us a lifting point. So we'll just measure to the center of those holes from this wall, and that'll help me align this thing. Cool. It's happening.
Whee!
Let's pull this piece of wood off here.
Yeah, get that piece of shit out of here.
I'm sure it's covered.
Just set on the subfloor. So we'll get a pre-drill ready and an impact ready.
Cast it like a fishing net.
Abracadabra.
Oh man, I hope this works. You know what I mean?
Put a heart rate monitor on spike for this.
Yeah.
Do like a live video, like as we're lining it up.
1, 2, 3. Good. Yep, for you. Yep. All that. Sure, okay. Great. Good deal.
There she blows.
Well, there's some blocking right there. Let's just get one in there so it can hang. And then we'll take the pressure off. All the hardware's over there, right?
Yep.
All right. Take that drop some wheels down there. All right, and you are free. Oh, that worked out great.
In there.
All Are you?
Yeah.
All right, Spike, could you pull the foot out like an inch? Towards me? Yeah. Good. It forced it out. We're hanging. So, I'm noticing this. Yeah. I think that, eyeball-wise, that fixes it. Yeah.
So if we tighten up here first,
I think we do
shim
that.
under there, and then bolt down.
That's done right there. That shit's what, an inch and a quarter?
All right. For real this time.
I'm looking at the holes.
That's real close. Okay, so vocally, might as well hang our rigging now, right? Yeah, baby. All right, let's get the stairs in here. Okay, I'm great. There.
Yeah.
All right, we'll just manually go from here to here, and then, nope, we're just gonna, that's on that.
Yeah.
So Spike,
Stay here.
Spike, if you'll control this, make sure this gets onto that hook. Yep, ready? Take your time. Okay. So, we get this up to here. What's the plan past that? Because that side's gotta go up. Yeah, we're gonna get it all the way up and then we'll just push that over and bolt it to the face.
Are we gonna bottom out though? What's our strap?
Yeah, I was looking at this. I did try to make that thing pretty tall. It's gonna be close. Maybe we should choke this a little bit tighter.
Yeah.
That's better there, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, now, so what I was saying is, I can hold it like this if I'm gonna sneak the jack through here. We're about 1 inch away from 2 blocking, so. Yep. Okay, good. Everybody just be aware of where their exit would be.
Any noises?
Can someone grab some hardware? All right. That's crazy. I know. I want a cigarette now. It's to this point.
No victory laps.
That's why I said it's to this point. Look at you, Spike. Nope. Look at you. Guys, it fits.
I need a cigarette and I don't even smoke cigarettes.
If you'll give me a measurement on the bottom tread from the wall. I got 3 3/8.
I got 3 and just under a quarter.
Alright, that's good. 3 1/4.
Great.
You know what? Let me go ahead and mark the holes.
Yeah, you can
I'll
pre-drill it before you cut it.
Yeah. SMRT, smart. All you OSHA keyboard warriors, I'm not on the top of the ladder. I'm just on the top step. Lovely.
All right.
So the lags I spec'd for this were the ones I actually used upstairs by accident. It was only because the hole looked really close. But if these fit, I'm gonna send them. Aaron? Aaron?
Yeah.
Or somebody?
Yeah.
Sorry. There's a 5-in-1 tool in the tool bag, like the paint scraper type deal. So we call these 5-in-1s at Black Dog, but we would always get the number wrong. This says 8-in-1. Can you give me the 12 5-in-1?
Generous with the 8.
Yeah. Give me the
It's a scratcher.
14-in-1.
There she comes.
Yeah.
Well, a big, beautiful screw sticking right out.
Spider. Okay. Multi-tool.
You're the multi-tool now.
I am.
You are the multi-tool.
Come on, baby girl.
Come on now.
Come on home.
I can't tell if it's the strap holding it out or the fact that I should get rid of a little more drywall.
I think it's the strap.
Yes, it's all sadly, this means my holes might be slightly off, but.
Ooh.
By slightly off, I mean very off. But it's okay. You want to put a level on one of the treads this way and see what it's doing?
I'm gonna take it out, a little bit off.
In a perfect world, which direction should it go?
It needs to go up.
Oh, okay.
Like
We left a little bit of tolerance.
that's level.
So,
You can space out.
it needs to like be there, but just move that way.
We
So,
have enough washers that we could space on the back side of that and the back side of this.
probably, but anything down there we do is just going to be visible. You mean thicker plate?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't help us unless we cut it off, which I'm not doing.
Or another plate to put behind there.
So, go down, gets a little weird. That's pretty far out of level. We could put a few washers behind that. I mean,
Yeah, I almost feel like that's where we cut a plate.
put a spacer in here. Well then, how about that? We space it out for now with washers, and then we can come back.
Like a 3/8 plate.
Yeah, and
Get that
slide
powder
it in
coated
there.
or something.
That's what we do. So let's walk this back.
Still slight bias.
That's all right. I'm not quite touching, but I'm gonna leave it up just a hair and then run the bolts in and just let it kind of stretch it. It'll pull this a little bit, it'll pull that, it'll go. Let me see some of them bags. We have new merch on sale. LiftArcStudios.com and click on the store.
What?
You can get that sweet hat.
What?
And then all these shirts.
Yeah.
Thank you. Free shipping to the continental US.
Hey, how about that?
It's a little late to ask, but are we level this way? Hey, look at that. Are these snug?
Yeah.
How do we do front to back?
Oh, I can't see that. It's hard to describe. You know, it's
Yeah. More front than back. Within acceptable tolerance.
which is
Perfect. Oh, dude, they feel rock solid.
I feel like a criminal putting footprints all over these.
Well, they're getting covered with treads. Dudes, this is sweet.
You doggone done did it, you damn Dundee dastardly dude.
I don't think we need a video guy on the field for this anymore. Guys,
You done did it.
yeah, it looks really good. That bottom strap is really shallow, but we knew that was gonna happen.
Well, there's gonna be another 3 inches on top of this.
This is what we didn't take into account when we redid my front porch. Remember when we took the slate off and added 3 inches of concrete?
Is there a plan to cover the hardware?
Not there, no. From here on out though, it's just cosmetic tweaks. You know, if we need to get some different hardware, we know what the thread is.
Well, I'm just talking because like underneath there, you can see it from outside the window.
For sure.
So it'd be nice
Here-
if we could spray paint it black or put caps on
If
it.
we get a plate cut and powder coated, we can powder coat the bolts and just take so the heads and washers.
Just try to find a spray paint that's close. I mean, will the impact tear the powder off?
It'll be on the head at least, and then we can touch up. But
Fair point. Yeah, at least this part will be powdered. Point is, it's all in, and we can wait for Jack to see it. I'm gonna tell him, hey, it's in, review it. We have an idea of one tweak for sure we wanna do, but just check it out and we'll go from there. But
if this is an issue aesthetically at all, we could also make a little piece that would just cover that.
yeah, there's a lot of trim options at this point, for
We
sure.
could almost like just put our magnets on there and
Oh yeah. Dude, it is so sick that that one just like disappears behind it. Yeah, that's really cool. I love that a lot. All right, I'm gonna go disassemble the hoist. We can just start cleaning it up.
well, because I can go ahead and send these, right?
Oh yeah, let's do that. I'll go upstairs and take those apart.
That's satisfying.